Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at our integrated furnace control board with refrigerant detection system. Right now we're going to be looking at our dip switch operation. As we have it set, we've got sensor number 1 dip switch set to enabled. Sensor number 2 is in the up position or disabled. What I'd like to do is add a second sensor. So I'm going to flip this switch down. I don't have a sensor plugged in, so what we're going to do is it's looking for that sensor. It's not present. So it's going to throw an E155 code on me. That'll remain until I'm able to plug in the sensor and then let the system calibrate and recognize the second sensor's present. So if I pan over, we'll see second port. Let me go ahead and plug in. You're going to come back to the dip switch. We still have an E155. Now, sometimes it can take upwards of about a minute and a half for this to calibrate to the new sensor being added. Something else that we can do is if we press our test button one time, in this case, this sensor has been registered. Now we're going to go into idle mode, and we have 2 sensors present and active. Both are going to constantly be looking for refrigerant leaks.